Friend, one of my most loved features in iOS 18 is the dark mode app icons on iPhone. In dark mode, app icons have a dark tint on the home screen, a helpful feature for those with sensory overload issues. I like this because it reduces battery drains, and finally I can dim those pesky Microsoft apps with their white bezels. Watch my video to learn how to enable the dark mode app icon on your iPhone. First, you need to access edit mode. So unlock your phone. Now, long press on the home screen. Click on the edit button that you can see on my left and upper side corner. There are two options. Go with customize. Wow, finally, a hidden tool appears that we are looking for. So choose dark to apply a dark theme to the entire system, including app interfaces that support it. One more option is the brightness setting. You can set dim and full dark theme color. Let's test. Tap on the brightness icon. Wow, you can see the changes between both. So you can browse your phone screen without straining your eyes. What changes happen? Do you know? Write it down in the comment below. Alternatively, you can choose tinted to apply a subtle color tint to app icons and some all elements. But I like a dark theme with a minimum brightness setting. Did you guys notice a small thing after choosing the dark theme? Third-party app icons do not switch to dark mode icons. For that, the developers have to make those icons ready for it. Apple will offer an API to developers to create a cohesive experience. I can't assume that half of the apps being different would look good. You can reach out to a specific app developer. Now, swipe down the tool to access the main home screen. The theme color applies only to all the pages on the home screen. It does not affect the app's user interface. For example, when I open the Settings app, you can see the complete light. To make this dark, you need to turn on dark mode system-wide. Unfortunately, iOS 18 doesn't support separate themes for app icons and widgets, so that you can't keep the app icons on light mode and widgets on dark mode. This feature has some drawbacks. Some dark mode icons, like clock, maps, and weather, aren't as good as the original ones. It would be cool if I could choose the theme for each icon individually. So, friend, this is all about enabling a dark theme for the iPhone home screen.